Welcome everybody. I'm just out here in the saw shack today, and I am changing the fallen spikes, fallen dogs, whatever you want to call them, on a 61. This is what was on it, and it goes on a little something like that. A little something like that. See the difference? Yeah, you can see the difference. See, and what I'm after is this bottom part. I'm not after more aggressive dogs, so to speak, but this right here, see how that lines up? This thing right here hangs down farther. So the main purpose for this is, like I said, not for more aggressive bite, because I don't dog my 61 in a whole lot, right? But when I set it down, I don't want the bar, I don't want the chain in the dirt. And with the old factory ones, the stock dual dogs, it, with a 28-inch lightweight bar, it falls on its face and it goes in the dirt, right? I don't want that. So I took a set from 372, same as the 372, same as the 570, same as the 575, that, you know which ones I'm talking about. I had to cut some off of the back of this in order for it to fit in this slot. And I had to modify the holes because it needed to come back further. And the holes are different. So I just used my I just used my Dremel tool and dremeled it out and fit it until they line up with the inside one. The inside one was fairly easy. I just had to oval this hole out on the top and grind some off of on the inside to make it fit the case. Pretty sick, huh? So now, when I put the bar on it, it won't fall on its face. It won't put the chain in the dirt. Right? And that is the purpose of putting those on there for me. Because like I said, I don't need a more aggressive dog on there. But that is going to work fantastic. Fantastic. So, just a little tech tip there. Now, I'm going to get this out of the way, and we're going to have an unboxing that we got from one of our awesome subscribers. Super awesome, super awesome. Super awesome. I just can't even believe it. What we have here is well, let's open it. Let's just open it. Yep, this is from one of our awesome subscribers. I'm excited. I am excited. This is from the same awesome subscriber that sent us the grill and the grate to go around the fire pit, that goes right beside the fire pit with, you know, the swivel thing and all that. Same subscriber sent this. Let's get this out of the way. Look at that. Huh? Oh yeah. Lodge. real cast iron. And this, oh yeah, oh yeah, look at those beauties. Look at those. You can use them individually, or you can use them like this. This has a lip. This has a lip around here. I don't know if you can see it with the weird sun shining in here. Oh, speaking of sunshine, isn't that nice? Oh, look at that. This goes on here like this. And you can use it that way. As a lid. Or like I said, you can use it individually. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Thank you, brother. I truly appreciate it. And we're going to use it. We'll be frying bacon. We'll be frying bacon in this one. Maybe in this one. We'll probably fry bacon in both of them. Get that good, get that good curing going on that you do with, cast iron. No soap. So yeah, check that out. Check that out together. Oh yeah. 2 sets of these. 2 sets of these. 2 sets of the cast iron pots. Pans. Pan and pot. It's not really a pot, but it can be. That's the cool thing about it. One of the cool things about it. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, cool sticker. All you need is Lodge. That's cool. What is this? It's a nice little box. Oh yeah. This is seasoned cast iron. Seasoned cast iron. And this is a cleaning kit for the seasoned cast iron. Looks like they must have another type, an enamel cast iron and stoneware kit. But this one is marked seasoned. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we'll be taking good care of this stuff, buddy. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Everything that everybody does. That anybody that's done anything for this channel, even if it's just a comment, a thumbs up, a view, whatever you have done to support this channel, I love it. I absolutely love it. We're having so much fun. I just can't thank everybody enough. I can't. Someday I hope to slowly but surely be able to pay it forward. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's what I'm hoping for. This is going to be fantastic. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait till we get to do some cooking on this, on the fire, everywhere, camping. It's going to be used everywhere. I'm digging it. Ooh, quiche. Oh, a nice quiche in this. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Awesome. Okay, everybody. Well, I hope everybody's having a good week. And if you, yeah, have a great week. Have a great day. And go out and help somebody. Thank you, sir, for this. Thank you for helping our channel. And thank you for being here on our journey through this. Yeah, go help someone today. Even if there's, a piece of garbage on the road when you're walking by or whatever, pick it up. Help out, right? Okay, everybody. Love y'all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling.